Hello everyone! We just arrived Đường Lâm Ancient Village and look at this magnificent sight! This is not just an entrance, it is a portal back in time. What you're seeing here is the legendary Mông village gate, built way back in 1833. It's a stunning example of Vietnamese ancient architecture, made almost entirely of unique material called Laterite stone, or as locals call it, đá ong. And right next to it, shading the whole scene, this is massive 300 years old banyan tree. It's the soul of the village. Imagine all the story that has witnessed, all generations who have the walk under its branch. This ancient gate, the banyan trees, the peaceful atmosphere, it truly captures the spirit of the Red River Delta. Come on, let's step through and uncover the secret that lie within the ancient lands of two kings. Alright, we just moved a few steps from the ancient gate. Just short walk from the gate brings us right to the soul of the village, the remarkable Mông Communal house. This is truly the spiritual heart of Duong Lam. This stunning structure dates back to 1684, which means it's over 400 years old. It is a perfect embodiment for traditional northern Vietnamese architecture. Take a closer look at the entrance, known as a Tam Quan, or three-gate entrance. This is an amazing historical fact. That gate was historically only used by the king during the most important annual festival. It symbolized the village's profound respect for hierarchy and tradition. Beyond just a place of the worship, the spacious courtyard here serves as a main village square, a bustling hub for meetings, for ceremonies, and of course, the joyous folk games. Stepping inside the communal house, you are immediately surrounded by the exquisite woodwork. Look up at these white feet and gold door, the horizontal and parallel writing adorned in the gold and deep red lacquers. They carry ancient maxims, celebrating the merit of the village founders and reinforcing moral values. Now we are moving deeper into the village maze of alleyways. Unlike many villages with just one communal wells, Đường Lâm is special. You can find dozens of these ancient wells scattered throughout the hamlets. This well here, the lifeblood of the community. What makes them unique is their sturdy constructions. The well's curves are often lined with the same beautiful porous laterite stone, or đá ong, that shapes the house here. They were a traditional gathering spot, a place for neighbors to meet and share stories. Even today, they symbolize the purity and enduring connection of the village people. From the village to the common, we now honor a revered scholar, a national hero, Thám Giang Văn Minh. This is his family's ancestral worship house, a place of profound significance. Thám, meaning the third rank graduated, was famous for his diplomatic braveries in the 17th century. He is celebrated for his patriotism and with white defending Vietnam's dignity against foreign powers. The house itself is the beautiful example of the traditional clan house, meticulously preserved to retain the atmospheres of the past. Inside, you can find an ancient artifact and parallel sentences praising his service to the nation. Now let's look at the true architectural marvels of Đường Lâm, the ancient houses. We are standing in the front of the home that centuries old, perfectly preserved. These houses are remarkable because they are built mainly from wood and our beloved laterite stone. Notice the thick stone walls And the tiled roof, they keep home cool in summer and warm in the winter. A brilliant example of the sustainable traditional engineering. Inside, you can see the simple, the functions layout, the main central area for ancestral altars, the wooden pillars holding up the entire structures. Many homeowners here still welcome guests, offering local delicacies like chè lam or rice wine. It's like walking into a living museum where history is not just read, but lived. Đường Lâm is so known for the land of two kings, and now we are visiting the site dedicated to these national heroes. It is where history truly comes alive. First, we pay tribute to bố cái đại vương Phùng Hưng, who rose up in the 8th centuries to fight against the foreign rulers. His temple stands as a testament to his great leadership and love for his people. A short distance away is a temple and tombs of King Ngô Quyền, the man who secured Vietnam's independence after the 1,000 years of domination by defeating the Southern Han forces in 938 AD. Ngô Quyền temple is being maintained now, so we just come here and respect the king by burning incense to remember the national hero at his tomb. Connecting these two sites is a truly ancient landmark, the 1,000-year-old banyan grove. Legend says this is where Ngô Quyền king tied his war elephant before the battle. It's been recognized as the National Heritage Tree, a silent witness to the millennium history. Visiting this site, you feel the strength of a land and that bred heroes. It is a powerful moment and connecting the roots of the nation. After soaking up all that incredible history, it's time to slow down and enjoy the peaceful vibe of Duong Lam. This village is an absolute paradise for photographers. They grab a traditional Vietnamese green jelly sweet soup and a refreshing glass of nước vối, fermented ebony leaf tea, at one of the peaceful cafes. And you must not leave without trying the local specialties, especially the famous chè lam, Jinjo sweet candies. And of course, taking home some tương nếp, fermented sticky rice sauces. Đường Lâm is more than just ancient houses and temples. It's a preserved piece of Vietnamese souls. If you ever wanted to connect with the deep histories and the pure tranquilities of the North, this is the place. Thank you for exploring this amazing ancient village with us. See you in next adventures.